Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm going to show you how to be productive using Any.Do. Any.Do is an amazing application that helps you to get organized and be productive with your daily life tasks. So let's get started and see how. First, you need to create your account from login here. After setting up your account, you will see something like this, which shows you all your daily tasks. You can also access tasks which you are supposed to do during the next 7 days or during the whole week. You can also see all your tasks from here. So you can also see your calendar. You can access to your lists, personal lists, work and grocery list, and you can also access on tags. So let's go to my day and create our first task now. To create a task, you need to go to Add Task here down below and write the task you want. For example, let's say workout, and press on this up sign, and here it's added to this day. So in case you want to be reminded for this task, press on reminder. So it's for today. So let's see, I want to be reminded at 3 p.m. So I will just press on set, and here we go. You can also add tasks to any day of your week by going to next 7 days here, and instead let's just remove from my day. And press on it so that it will be done, and remove it from here. So now let's just add my workout to any other day. For example, tomorrow I will write my workout here, and I will press on this so that it will be added. I can also add to my day, or I can set a reminder from here like I did previously, and here it has been added to my day and removed from tomorrow, as I said. So if I want to transfer it to any other list, I can just drag and drop here. So let's make it back to tomorrow, and here we are. So this is basically how you can create your own tasks. You can also create your tasks in all my tasks here. So if you want to just place it in some day or upcoming, you can as well. You can just choose upcoming and add the task from here. You can also add a subtask from here, like for example, if I chose my workout, I can insert a note from here like don't forget your protein shake, and I can add a subtask. After workout, head to the market to buy lunch. This way I can control my tasks, and I can also mark as done from here. I can add attachment. So this way I have updated my task, and if I went to my workout here, I will see the notes and I will see the subtask. I can also mark the subtask here as completed, or I can mark the whole task as done from here. So this is how we can control our tasks. Now let's move on to our lists, how we can use them. Let's first see our personal lists. Here you can see your personal list. You can also add a list from here. You can, for example, say, let's just say grocery, or we can add it to the grocery list. Let's just skip this for now and go to grocery list, and we here can add to buy, for example, milk, eggs, cheese, vegetables, And once you are done with any of these, you can just mark it as as done, so that it will make shopping easier for you. So now let's create a task, a new one. And let's name it Office Duties. I can, of course, put it in work, but however, I just want to create a new list so that you know how. I will press continue, and now I will just add some tasks like a daily report, supervision, QA, QC, so that I have some tasks. I can go to any one of them. I can ask Any.Do to remind me. I can add a tag, for example, to make it of high priority or important or family or whatever, so that it will be marked as high priority. I can also add notes as I did before. I can add subtasks, and I can add also or attach any files. So that here we have office duties, 3 tasks, grocery list 2, and personal we have 5. So this is how you can control your own lists. Now let's move on to our our calendar here, which provides a really amazing way so that you can connect your Google calendars. So let's press on any cell. It will ask you to connect Google Calendar. Let's go with this, and let's choose our Google Calendar. Select all, or we can just, okay, let's select all and press on continue. And now it's connecting. As you saw, it only took few seconds to add your Google Calendar, and voila. Since I didn't really place any appointments in my Google Calendar, you will not see a difference here. However, it has been added, and if I did any changes in my Google Calendar, it will appear here, and vice versa. So this is how you can collaborate between your calendar on Any.Do and your Google Calendar. Now next, you can also change the properties of your account from here. You can choose your profile, for example. You can add an image. You can also see the integrations here. Any.Do has integrations with plus 6,000 apps, so it makes it easier for you. It only has integrations with apps that we use daily, like WhatsApp and Gmail, so it's pretty nice, and it's pretty easy for you to integrate with other applications. You can also control how your Any.Do look like so that it looks more catchy for you and more attractive. This is done by navigating downward here and going to theme. You can control to have auto theme, light theme, dark theme. It's up to you. Let's just pick the light one. And you can also control the background from here. You can choose any background you want. Let's choose this one, for example. No, it's premium, unfortunately. So we can just select any one of the free ones. Let's just return back and choose background, and choose anyone without this crown sign on it, like this one, for example. Let's choose it and see the changes. So as we can see, nothing really changed because there are no gaps here. So let's go to our list to see if we will see a difference. And here it is, our background. So this is basically how you can control your background and theme so that it looks attractive for you, and it encourages you to visit Any.Do and always update what your tasks are, whether they are personal, whether they are work tasks, even if they are grocery list or something. So basically, this is how easy you can use Any.Do. This brings us to the end of our tutorial today. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel for more valuable tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.